Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best shoe racks on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Simple Houseware Shoe Rack. Whether you're looking for a simple solution to tidying up your living space or you're in the market for a stylish statement piece, the Simple Houseware Shoe Rack is the ideal choice. It can store up to 20 pairs of shoes and can even convert from a 2-tire to a 3-tire rack to fit different sizes and styles. The metal construction with sturdy 600D polyester fabric ensures safety and security, and each shelf can hold up to 30 pounds of weight. Its streamlined design makes it the ideal furniture piece for any room or closet. What we like about it: removable panels for easy storage, compact, lightweight design, easy to lift and move around. What we don't like about it: assembly can take up to 30 minutes. Number 2. Exudes Shoe Rack. The Exudes Shoe Rack is an excellent product for organizing shoes in any space. This shoe storage rack is sturdy, fashionable, and made from durable steel and washable 600D Oxford fabric. The long 3- and 4-tire design allows you to store up to 24 pairs of shoes, with each shelf capable of holding 6 pairs. The height of each shelf is 8 inches, making it suitable for storing high-heeled boots, sandals, and other types of footwear. When you aren't using it in its full 3- or 4-tire form, you can dismantle this shoe rack into smaller parts to keep around the house. What we like about it: sturdy rods can support heavy loads. Shoe boxes can fit underneath. Comes in brown and gray colors. What we don't like about it: can be difficult to assemble. Number 3. Sournois Shoe Rack. If you're looking for an innovative and attractive storage solution, look no further than the Sournois Shoe Rack. This rack has a durable metal frame, making it sturdy and long-lasting. It can hold up to 12 pairs of shoes, accommodating many types of footwear, from tall boots to slippers. The versatile design can be expanded both horizontally and vertically with multiple units, providing you with plenty of space for your footwear. It's also extremely quick and easy to assemble. Besides being an efficient storage solution for your entryway, wardrobe, or cabinet, this shoe rack is also water and dirt-proof, allowing you to keep your shoes clean and neat. What we like about it: lightweight yet holds shoes securely. Quick and easy to assemble. What we don't like about it: the fabric is very thin. Number 4. Vasigo Shoe Rack. This shoe rack is an excellent way to keep your shoes organized and easily accessible. Its narrow design makes this footwear rack perfect for hallways, closets, and dressing rooms. Easy to assemble and made with a steel frame for durability, this product is a great choice for anyone looking for an attractive and stable storage solution. On top of being stylish, it has 3 open shelves crafted from polyester fabric that provide plenty of room for storing all your shoes, including trainers, boots, and heels. What we like about it: adjustable feet for uneven flooring. Sturdy steel frame construction. Can hold 20 pairs of shoes. What we don't like about it: fabric rungs may not hold heavy items. Number 5. Wexi Shoe Rack. For those living in small spaces or in need of additional storage and organizing options, the Wexi Shoe Rack is the perfect solution. This 10-tire tall shoe rack is designed to be narrow, allowing it to fit into small entryways and other areas of the home. The rack has a large capacity, with enough room for up to 24 pairs of shoes. The footwear shelf is made from strengthened polypropylene connectors, ensuring good stability and preventing wristing. Smooth powder-coated corrosion-resistant metal pipes also give the rack a sleek appearance. What we like about it: easy and quick to assemble. Strong due to metal rods. Available in different colors. What we don't like about it: needs a wall attachment for stability. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.